The Rolling Stones, a band synonymous with rebellion and rock and roll, found themselves entangled in an unexpected royal drama. At their recent UK award ceremony, a furious crowd met Prince Harry's request to be addressed as His Royal Highness, with a chorus of boos and jeers. This incident, far from being a mere slip-up, highlights a growing rift between the Sussexes and the British public, and serves as a stark reminder of the complexities surrounding Harry's attempts to carve out a new identity while clinging to the privileges of his former life. Harry, since his departure from royal duties alongside his wife Meghan Markle, has been navigating a delicate tightrope. He craves independence and freedom from the constraints of royal protocol. Yet he also seems reluctant to fully relinquish the pomp and circumstance that comes with his birthright. This desire to have his cake and eat it too has repeatedly landed him in hot water. The incident at the Stones Awards is just the latest example of this dissonance. While the band, known for their anti-establishment stance, might have initially seemed an unlikely stage for such a royal showdown, the event perfectly encapsulated the contradictions inherent in Harry's current position. He sought the recognition and respect afforded to royalty, a title he willingly stepped down from, while simultaneously distancing himself from the very institution that bestowed it upon him. The crowd's reaction was swift and decisive. Their boos and jeers were a powerful expression of public sentiment. Many Britons felt that Harry, having chosen to abandon his royal duties and pursue a life of celebrity and activism, had forfeited the right to be addressed as His Royal Highness. They viewed his request as an attempt to maintain a privileged status while simultaneously rejecting the responsibilities that came with it. The incident at the Stones Awards serves as a stark reminder of the realities facing the Sussexes. Their attempts to navigate the complexities of their new lives while clinging to the vestiges of their former status are proving increasingly difficult. The British public, once largely sympathetic to their plight, is growing weary of their constant pronouncements and perceived hypocrisy. Harry and Meghan, in their quest for independence, may have inadvertently created a self-imposed exile. While they may enjoy the freedom from royal constraints, they have also lost much of the public goodwill that once shielded them. The road ahead promises to be challenging. The Sussexes must now decide whether to fully embrace their new roles as private citizens or continue to grapple with the ghost of their royal past.